Imagine a place in which the most advanced technology meets light, where men and science unite to make a dream come true, to contribute to protect health and beauty. We are that place. Since 1981, El.En has been working with maximum energy to offer the most advanced responses in the universe of laser and innovative technological solutions at the service of medicine, industry and art conservation and restoration. Our strength is based on a structure able to internally conceive, develop and manage each activity, from planning to customer care. The result translates into a self-feeding, flowing and able process which is in constant evolution. A system of controlled instruments and strictly codified procedures is at the basis of our corporate organizational model. We prevent and effectively manage every unexpected event. The uniqueness of our technologies guarantees unparalleled characteristics to our systems. All this works thanks to an important ingredient: people, the added value we transfer directly to our systems. An organization based on every single individual, their creativity, their talent, their expertise, as well as teamwork, empowered by the ongoing exchange of information among departments. One example, thanks to our clinical research and practice and product specialist departments. We constantly communicate with the users of our technologies. Receiving feedback allows us to improve them in real time, while regulatory affairs and quality assurance work together in order to guarantee easy access to world markets. In over 120 countries worldwide, El.En has been an epicenter of innovation since 1981, a technologically advanced company where new and revolutionary therapeutic horizons are shaped. Imagine a more evolved world. El.En is already at work to create it. El.En, the future in a beam.